Hello, everyone. Welcome back from spring break. I hope that you had a really restful break, and I hope that you're ready to move into the second part of our semester together. I'm really excited for the rest of this journey. I hope that you guys hang in there. The work is about to get a little bit harder, and a little bit more, there'll be a little bit more of it per week, which just relates to your ability to do more challenging, harder work in getting prepared for your next courses, English 101, 108. So I'm very proud of your works thus far. I'm not going to do official shout outs this week, but you will see my feedback on your final essays, on your place of great importance. And I hope that you will, for those essays, remember to take the skills that you learned of both organization and specificity, and really bring that into your next essays, which will be more academic. So the next essay that you guys are writing are analytical essays. You're going to be writing about technology, which we began to think about in the week before spring break. So you're going to be working on that. There are a few videos to watch, so make sure that you do watch them. They're a little bit longer. One is about summary and two-column note taking in English 099. And then there's also one about how to write an analytical essay. So that I would suggest that you grab a cup of coffee, get settled in, if you can at all carve out a quiet space to watch that video. That is going to save you a lot of stress down the line, because the structure for the analytical essay is really, really specific. So you do need to watch it to see what I'm asking you to put in each paragraph. And you may have the most creative ideas ever, but if the essay is not in the structure, that I'm suggesting, you're going to lose a lot of points on it. And that's not for just because I want to be mean or something like that, but I want you to have practice in doing this particular type of essay structure, since it will serve you really, really well moving into the future. Because having this in your toolkit, so to speak, will be really, really useful to you. So, while I might validate other ways of writing this essay because I think they're really great, um, I would like you to practice with this method that I am suggesting. So, take a look at that and let me know if you have any questions about that. The other note that I have is that a lot of you are messing up a bit with semicolons, and this happens a lot when you're first starting to use semicolons. But what I want to say, and what is most important to remember, is that essentially on each side of the semicolon, you have to have a complete thought, a verb, and a subject, essentially a complete sentence on each side of the semicolon. So a lot of you are putting a semicolon to replace a comma, but each side of the semicolon needs to be complete, a complete thought, verb, subject. So you can't just have like an incomplete thought. Although I like pizza, semicolon, I also like sushi. That doesn't work because the first part of it is not a complete thought. Although I like pizza, you couldn't just say that to someone and they would know what you're talking about. It's an incomplete thought. So make sure that both sides of the semicolon have complete thoughts, verbs, and subjects. Um, make sure that you take a look at what you have to do this week, and make sure that you have enough time to do it, okay? And if you need an extension on anything, let me know about that. I'm very happy to give you an extension. But you do want to take a look to make sure that you are able to get everything done this week. You'll have your first draft of your essay about technology due this week. Remember that drafts, no matter what, get 100%, but you'll see in your rubric the grade that you'd get if you made no changes, and you'll be able to respond to the essay as usual based on my feedback. Okay, so next week we'll return to our normal shout outs, where I'm going to call out people by name. But for now, just know that I am cheering you on. I'm really excited about our next project, our analytical essay, and please don't hesitate to reach out to me for any reason. I hope that you all had a somewhat restful break and that you're ready to get started again on the work for this course. All right, thanks everybody. Bye.